If your Roblox gameplay feels like a grind, you're an AFK farming pro in the making. Time to master TinyTask. First, head to tinytask.net and download this tiny but mighty tool. It's a lightweight app, no installation needed. Once you open TinyTask, you'll see a simple interface. The red circle records, the green triangle plays back, and the floppy disk saves your macros. Easy, right? Before you start recording, hit the wrench icon to tweak some settings. Set your playback to repeat for continuous AFK farming, and don't forget to set your record and playback hotkeys. Now, plan your actions. Whether it's clicking a button or moving in a pattern, keep it consistent. Open Roblox, adjust your window, and hit record. Perform your actions slowly and deliberately. When done, hit record again to stop. Test your macro to ensure it's flawless. Then, hit play and watch TinyTask work its magic while you go AFK. And there you have it. TinyTask makes Roblox AFK farming a breeze.